Introducing a new drug product into the market takes an excessive amount of time, historically up to 10 years. During the traditional product development lifecycle, information is collected and then disseminated in silos of unstructured data, making the technology transfer process very challenging, especially when an external contract organization is involved. Significant time and effort are wasted trying to reconcile different terms and different data structures. Emerson's PKM replaces the silos of information with a central data repository where information is captured digitally, facilitating collaboration. Fast, intuitive access to data makes tech transfers much simpler and faster. In some cases, it becomes practically a one-click activity. PKM digitizes the entire process definition, process sequence, parameters, materials, equipment definition, and sampling requirements. Information is available to all users via an intuitive web-based application. PKM provides a data model for life sciences. Process information is defined in a general recipe, which is scale and site independent. Multiple site recipes are then created from this general recipe while maintaining the link to the general recipe. This top-down approach simplifies change management. PKM can also connect with planning and execution systems, eliminating manual integration. PKM facilitates GMP compliance with stringent change management, audit trail, and an embedded approval workflow with electronic signatures. Emerson's PKM is a recipe management solution that significantly reduces new product time to market.